Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will explore Meta in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 17th of March, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of March, 2025, our system has categorized Meta as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.98. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently shows no change, remaining at a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold accumulate recommendation. The stock currently sits in the lower range of a very broad and weak upward trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend support at $592.66 is breached, it will initially suggest a slower rate of increase and could serve as an early warning for a potential trend reversal. The ongoing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 8.39% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 6.19% to 35.62%. In terms of the longer horizon, our analysis over 12 months predicts a change of 39.06%. According to our estimates, the stock's performance could vary between 35.50% and 73.26% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this suggests that the future price could fall between $819.63 and $1,048.02. Our latest daily update for Meta presents the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Meta Stock Price After Monday Trading. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 17th of March, 2025, the Meta stock price experienced a decline of approximately 0.444%, dropping from $607.60 to $604.90. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 2.5%, reaching a low of $598.03 and a high of $613. The stock has seen a decline in 6 of the last 10 days, with an overall decrease of around 7.66% during this time frame. Notably, trading volume increased by 3 million shares on this day, despite the falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, slightly raising the risk over the coming days. Overall, a total of 15 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $9.02 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $740.89, while the lowest was $414.50. Currently, the stock price is 18.35%, or $135.99, below the 52-week high of $740.89, which also stands as the all-time high for this stock. Meta Platforms, commonly referred to as Meta, is currently navigating a complex landscape filled with both opportunities and challenges. Recent sentiment among analysts suggests that now is a pivotal time to invest, particularly within the context of the Magnificent Seven tech stocks. Analysts highlight the company's ability to deliver profits despite lower valuations, indicating a potential rebound for Meta in the near future. On the regulatory front, however, there is looming pressure as the Federal Trade Commission prepares to take legal action aimed at breaking up Meta by forcing the sale of Instagram and WhatsApp. This significant development could introduce major volatility, negatively impacting stock prices in the short term as investors weigh the implications of such drastic regulatory measures. Furthermore, Meta's ongoing developments in artificial intelligence, particularly with their Llama product, position the company as a potential long-term growth driver. This suggests that while Meta may face immediate headwinds, its fundamentals remain strong, with analysts projecting a solid upside potential as they estimate a 15% increase by year-end. Overall, short-term fluctuations in Meta's stock are expected, driven by regulatory concerns and market corrections. However, analysts remain optimistic about the company's resilience and long-term growth prospects, indicating it might be a strong buy for investors willing to look beyond the current volatility. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025, it was reported that Tigress Financial assigned Meta a strong buy rating alongside a hold action. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that Scotiabank assigned Meta a sector perform rating with a hold action. On the same day, BMO Capital reported assigning Meta a market perform rating along with a hold action. Also on Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, Cowen & Company reported giving Meta a buy rating with a hold action. Lastly, on that same Thursday, UBS also assigned Meta a buy rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Meta. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 13th of March, 2025, and so far it has risen 2.41%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the near short-term development. The Meta stock currently holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $607.44 and $671.54. A breakout above any of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 21 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 147 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $597.99. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with favorable trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. In the last day, the stock fluctuated $14.97 between its high and low, which represents 2.5%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.6%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered relatively normal and is often observed in companies with established track records or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 23rd of April, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at $5.60. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $659.88. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $597.99. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 11th of March, 2025, Newstead Jennifer sold 921 shares of Class A common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Olive and Javier sold 608 shares of Class A common stock. On the 4th of March, 2025, Newstead Jennifer sold 921 shares of Class A common stock. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Olive and Javier sold 608 shares of Class A common stock. On the 28th of February, 2025, Cox Christopher K. sold 400 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 53.883. In total, insiders purchased 46,422 shares and sold 156,366 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $578.46, which represents a decrease of 4.37%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom that was identified 2 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta shows several negative indicators, suggesting it should be considered a sell candidate. However, there is potential for a turnaround, which makes it worth considering as a hold or accumulate in the current position while we await further developments. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, moving from a sell to a hold or accumulate recommendation. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, March 18th, we anticipate that Meta will open higher by 410 cents, starting at $605.31. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.